Sam, I know you're inside White Box. I can help. Just let me know when you reach Robertson's system.
So you heard everything. What a surprise. But now you're supposed to have good news about Sarah.
She's on the line. That's why I called. Make it quick.
Dad?
Sarah, is it you? Are you okay?
They told me you were dead, Dad. They told me that you'd been killed.
They told me the same thing about you.
Sorry, Sam. Time's up.
Graham.
Later. You've got work to do.
Holy shit! Give it up, asshole! I know! Hostile back up at my location. We need to sweep the area. Quit hiding like a girl! Let's do this! Don't punk out on me! You're luck, Victor! Fuck! He's got a grenade! You're not at the party! I see him! I see him over there! Guys are giving blood! No one's going in there! How much? Checking on a disturbance. Wait one.
Not a damn thing here. What a surprise.
Everybody stay sharp. Got him! He's right there! Something's happened down here. Ah, shit! Get this, bitch! Go down and finish him off! Holy hell! What the fuck was that? Where did it come from? Take this, Fisher! Take this! I'm not sorry for you! You got nowhere to run! Show me what you got! Come over here! Now you want to play games? Okay, let's play! Oh, hell no. No way we're going in there. How about you come to us instead? Show me what you got, asshole! Fisher's over there! Ah! I see you, Fisher! You think I'm just gonna walk in there? Hell no! Shit, you picked the wrong guy to mess with us!
We got everybody.
Wait one. Down! What? Take him out! Go to the flashbang! Cover! Got you covered. Get in there. He's right now. Show me what you got.
I can see Robertson's system from here. Talk to me, Grim.
Good. Now think about making this room a hostile environment for uninvited guests. I might need you to be on that system for a while, and I don't want you interrupted.
Remote detonation mines should do the trick. Sam here. I'm looking at Robertson's system.
Perfect. Can you get me a back door?
Just like old times. You've got root access and a socket address.
Thanks. I'm setting up a capture so I can download everything he's got.
All of the EMP data is on there.
A couple of analysts I trust are looking forward to seeing it. Okay, Sam. The link is active and the pipe is full.
So I'm done here.
Not quite. I need you to babysit this from your end. If the connection goes, I can't re-establish it from here.
So, nobody else gets their hands on this box.
From what I'm seeing, that system could be used to shut down the site's connectivity. I'd be locked out and we'd be out of luck.
Then I'd better get ready. Company's coming.